Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories. Like to share a few cards I made for Christmas. So first style of cards is look like that, and they are almost same, uh, just the images about the birds are different. And what I use for card, I just on the basic fold on half and again on half one side. On the bottom I put something like 3D to stop the cards, and then I just put paper and decorate with tree and then images with the birds. I have many of these cards because each bird has different hidden things. It's boots, some basket, or some pot, or something different. Box, look, hat. Okay. So I hope you like the idea. It's very simple. The tree I cut on big shot, and the flowers I copy and fussy-cut, and that also is from big shot. And then I put a little shiny things, and that's all. So hope you liked it and I inspire you. See you on next project. Bye bye.